Good afternoon, everyone. It's great to see everybody. I am back. So I made a big move. I was living in Chicago. I moved out. I'm now living and based in Columbus, Ohio. Had a bad living situation in Chicago, so I got out of there. So yeah, I'm here. It's pretty cool. Cheaper to live in Ohio, higher in seniority. So it's pretty cool. So talking about that, and I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna do rip open the packs. WWE Topps Chrome cards. I got it at this vending kiosk machine at here. It's called the Giant Eagle. So we are going to open this up. So let me get started. Oh, good. It opens quickly. All right. Got rid of the plastic. Now we are going to open the top. That's there. Let's see. Oh dear, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 packs. It should be. So let's see what we got. So I'm going to catch the best I can. So first pack. I'm gonna open them up. Rip it open. Pack. Okay, let's see what we got. I'm gonna hold them up just as I get them. First card. Oh, we got Tiffany Stratton. Oh, can you see that? Next card, we got Finn Balor. After 10 years, need to give him some respect. But yeah, Finn Balor. Third card, it's AJ Lee. Yeah, she just came back. She's taking another hiatus. This one, Ludwig Kaiser, Tiffany's ex. Next card, next pack, I should say. Nikki Cross as part of the White Six. You can see that. Next one is Earthquake. Oh, it's a collector's one. I'm gonna put this aside. The next one is Kurt Angle. Yeah. Amazing. This one is Finn Balor again. Let's see. Next pack. This one is Billy Gunn. You know which version. Next one, Bailey. Amazing Bailey. This next one, Jade Cargill. She's that, you know what. And this one, Aleister Black. Gladly give that away. Not a big Aleister Black fan. These competitors, the same thing. On to the next pack. This one. This one is Idris Enofi. You probably know who that is. I don't know who that is. Kurt Angle again. Rey Mysterio. Good one. Booyaka, booyaka. And another excellent Rey Mysterio from the 2000s. Cool. Next one. Oh, let's look at this one. This first one is Tonga Loa. Oh, yes! Oh, I'm keeping this one because some of these I'm going to give away. But, oh! Breaking out the Cody Rhodes WWE Championship. Yeah, this is one of my favorites. And I got a second one. So I might give that away because my cousin's daughter's a big fan of WWE. So my second cousin. And this one, Don Morocco from WrestleMania. So this one is from WrestleMania 2. Keeping that one. On to the next one. Like Jay-Z is saying. This one is Oba Femi. Oba. Keeping that one. Next one is Nia Jax. Cool. Alrighty. Let me fix my cards up here. Next one, oh, Lex Luger. Giving that one away. And then Stone Cold Steve Austin from the 1990s. Look at that. I'm gonna go keep that one. Yep. My cousin's a big Stone Cold fan. Might give it to him. We'll see. And finally, the final pack. Let's see this one. It won't be too long. Look at this. We got Kane. I keep that one. This one is Malik Blade. I don't know what that is. Look. Penta. Might keep that one. And then finally we have Tiffany Stratton again. Started, ended with her. Overall good pack. So thank you guys for tuning in. I'll keep you updated. Thanks to you everyone who watches. So like, subscribe, leave a comment. All comments are welcome. Thank you guys so much. Talk to you soon. Take care.